In your development work, you will find that sometimes you need to add audio files onto your page. For instance, maybe you have maybe some talk from someone that you want to add onto your website, maybe for your visitors to listen to, or maybe to give them some advice. You can do that simply and purely using HTML. So let's say, for instance, here, let me use the guiding page that we have here. So audio sample, yeah, great. So we can do a heading 3 here, and then this heading 3 we have audio sample, and inside this audio sample, what we are going to do now, this is where we are going to be, this is what we do to add audio to our page. Because remember, what I have just done there is just the heading I have given, audio sample, but now we want our audio to actually appear here. So how do we bring in audio? Now the first step is to get the audio file. All right, so I have my audio file here. I've called it sample audio. I'm going to copy, and then I'm going to put it into my HTML file. Remember, within the directory where we have our index.html, paste it there. So I have this file here, and now how I'm going to access that is going to be very easy. Open a square bracket and then type audio. Is it that simple? Not audio, audio, like that. Okay, and then the audio tag is not a self-closing tag, therefore you need to close it. So audio, then you close audio. Now this audio is going to take in what we need to add. So we are going to say source, 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 audio source equals, and then no, sorry, not like that, source, and then src. You remember, like just like the image, equals that, and then this is where we are going to be adding our, and then this again is a self-closing tag. So if we do that and try to close that, you see it's closing audio. This is source, is closing this audio, so it's closing it at the wrong place. So I told you, every time you see that, just know that that's a self-closing tag, and therefore just close it from there. So the source is what is going to take the source with the name of our file. So remember, I have called mine sample audio, so I can just copy the name here, copy like that, and then I come back here and paste my name here. So I have audio, then source, src equals the name of my audio file. All right, let's go back here and refresh and see what we get. Apparently we don't get anything. All right, why? Because we have not told it what type of source this is. So we need to add another tag here called type equals, and the type that we're going to be adding here is audio, and then OGG. This is just a convention that you're going to use to add your audio file. So type audio OGG. Go back to our browser, refresh it, and apparently it doesn't seem to appear. Could the source of this be wrong or something? It doesn't appear. Then there is one more thing that you will need to add on your audio file here. And what is that? You need to tell this that you want to have controls. So if you try to show your audio and it doesn't show, just add controls on your audio. Sometimes it may be displaying and not showing, but when you add controls, it is definitely going to show, because controls just tells it that I want to be able to stop the audio, I want to be able to start the audio again, and stuff like that. So come back and refresh the page, and now you have all your audio down here. So if I play,
Hello, this is an HTML course.
nice. And then you can also raise your volume, you can stop the volume, and then there are other things here like play speed, you can change it. So all these controls have been added by this one tag here. We have added controls. So that is how you do audio inside of HTML. Make sure you do some practice with adding audio files, and I will see you in the next section.